Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to create a toggle list in your Notion template. So you're going to want to make sure you can see this prompt here where it says write something or press space for AI /4 commands. We're just going to type the / on our keyboard. We're going to look for toggle list in that list, or you can type in the T and it'll pop towards the top. It should be like the third one. And you can see that this gives us a brief overview of what exactly this basic block is. And then once you push that, you're going to want to make sure you see that arrow and the word toggle. That means that this block has been entered. And I'm just going to type in Sunday. Now I want to create a list under Sunday. So what I'll do is I'll push that little down arrow button. Well, it'll turn into a down arrow and you'll see it says empty toggle. You're going to want to click in there. You can either enter in the / command and create a bulleted list or a numbered list. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my other videos out. I have made videos about this previously. Or you can just go in and type in that plain text, but you're going to want to make sure that this prompt is there so that lets you know that you can put in text in that. So, in order to hide these things, what you'll do is you'll just go in and you'll click on that little arrow once you're done creating your list, and that will consolidate the list. And then you'll only be able to see that word Sunday, and then you'll to expose and expand the list, you'll click down on that again. Now, if you wanted to create something else, you can either go in and do that / command again, or you can go back. You see that I am just going back to where I was Sunday, going back and pushing enter. And once I do that, that'll create another toggle. And then I can do the same thing, push that arrow down, and then it will say empty toggle, click or drop blocks here and create another list again. And you can also move these around if you don't know how to move things around in Notion. I have a video on that you can check out. So if you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thank you. Bye.